everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is going to be a first video of electronics. So from now on I'm going to post various videos in electronics, which may be hardware electronics like these ones, printed circuits, or my favorite, Arduino programming. So today we are going to do some Arduino programming, which I will tell you the basics of Arduino and how programming is done using a simple activity, which is LED chaser. Let's do that. Materials required for a LED chaser project are an Arduino Uno R3 board, LEDs of different colors, a USB connector, adapter, and a battery, and obviously the Arduino app, programming app in our computer. So for those who don't know Arduino is a type of microprocessor. So first you have to code in the Arduino app. Then via the USB connector, the code will be uploaded over here and it will give the output whatever you want. So I will quickly tell the pins of Arduino board. So there are the 3.3 volt and the 5 volt pins, which will give you the that much voltage, and we have two ground pins which are negative in nature. So these all pins are power pins. These are the analog input pins, while these are the digital output pins. So we are going to use this in our project. So let's get started. First, take one LED and so there are two terminals, right? So take the first terminal, the positive terminal, and join it into the 10th pin. The negative terminal, the ground, like this. Then take the another one, put the positive one in the 11th pin, and again the negative one in the ground, like this. Take the third LED of a different color, to the same positive one in the 12th pin and the negative one in the ground. Maybe like this. So I have already coded over here. If you want to know how it has done, you can see videos based on it. So in the void setup, I have given the pins numbers and set it as output. The void loop, I have written the code for the LED chaser. So pin number 10 is the white one, pin number 11 is the green one, and pin number 12 is the red LED. So let's upload this code. LED chaser. So after uploading the code, we can use the adapter, which will automatically give power. So if you want to change the, so if you think it is very fast, so you can make it slow and do like it appropriately. So basically you have to change the delay which is given. So let's make it a bit slower maybe. Let's do it to 500. Yeah, so let's upload it. Verify the code first. Takes time sometimes, and upload it. Just wait for a while. Now see the difference. So it has become slow. So you can do it more slower or very fast while adjusting the delay. Thank you for watching the videos. If you like this video, hit the like button.